How to hard reset Galaxy A26 5G.
Step 1. Start by pressing and holding the volume down and power buttons briefly to turn off your device. Step 2. Next, press and hold both the volume up and power buttons, then connect your device to your computer using a USB cable.
Step 3. Once the recovery mode logo appears, release both buttons.
Further guide is available in the description below.
Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use.
Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.